Hello everyone, Namaste. I am Munna Kahar, teacher of Joint School Family, and I am continuing your class 8 math subject. Okay, so today we are going to start our new chapter, that is your percentage. Okay, so what does this percentage means? Okay, so the meaning of percentage is per hundred. Okay, it is represented by the symbol you can see here. Percentage means per hundred. Okay, so if I say here, suppose 30%. So what is the meaning of 30%? It means here 30 upon 100. Okay, so out of there are 100 equal parts. Okay, and the person has secured 30. Okay, it means, so similarly 40% means how much? Similarly 40% means here 40 upon 100 means it is in a fraction, and in fraction chapter also we have seen this is it represent denominator represent the total number of parts. So here 100 equal parts are there. Okay, and out of 100 equal parts 40 has been secured. Okay, so the meaning of simply percentage means per 100 means out of 100 how much the person has secured, it represents that. Okay, so percentage simply means per 100. Okay, so here what terms we got? We also call as 100 part. Hundredth part. Okay, simply it means here out of 100 equal parts, each part is called 100 part. Okay, so out of 100 equal part, each part is called 100th part. For example, if I say here 8 upon 100. Okay, so 8 upon 100 simply it means out of 100 the person has secured 8. Okay, it also means this is your 800th. Okay, this is your 800th, not 100. Okay, it is your 800th. Okay, 100th part. Okay, so out of 100 equal parts, each part is called your 100th part. Okay, so 8 upon 100 it also means your 800. Okay, so one more example you all please see here. Suppose one of your friends or you secured, okay, in a math subject you secured 80. Okay, you secured 80 marks and out of 100. So how you will write in fraction? 80 upon 100. Okay, out of 100, okay, you secured 80 marks in math. So in math subject your what will be your percentage? Okay, that will be your, if we are talking about your 100, okay, full marks 100, so that means you got 80%. Okay, out of 100 marks, the person how much the person here is secured, that is the percentage. Okay, so now we'll learn, okay, we'll do some question that will change the fraction into percentage. Okay, so first fraction into percentage. Okay, how can we convert fraction into percentage? For example, suppose there is a fraction 3 upon 4. Okay, this is a fraction given to you, and how can you change this fraction into percentage? It is very simple, just multiply by 100%. This is your fraction. Okay, multiply by 100%, it will be changed into percentage. So let's cancel it. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 23 into 25 is your How much? 75%. Is it clear? It's very easy. What you have to do is 3 upon 4. It is given in the fraction. Okay. To change into percentage, just multiply by 100%. Okay. Let me show you one more example. Okay. 4 upon 5. This is in your fraction. Okay. Change it into percentage. You simply need to multiply here. 4 upon 5 multiplied by 100%. Okay. So you got how much? You can cancel 5 ones are 5, 5 20s are, so 80%. This is your answer in percentage. So simply what you need to remember here, to change fraction into percentage, okay, to change fraction into percentage, you have to multiply by 100%. Okay, you have to multiply by 100% to change fraction into percentage. Okay, now let's see its opposite. Okay, suppose this is a 75%. Okay, I'm going to erase this. Oh no, here it is the place. Okay, I'll write here 75%. Now if we need to change percentage into fraction, okay, percentage into fraction, then what will you do here? Just we need to divide it by 100. Meaning of percentage is your how much? Per 100. Okay, meaning of percentage is your per 100. Okay, its symbol is percent. Its symbol, okay, per 100. Okay, so here 75% means 75 upon 100. So you can cancel and get the answer. Okay, so let's cancel by 5. 5 5 5 15s are, okay, 5 20s are. After that 5 3s are, 5 4s are, and we got 3 upon 4, which was your previous question. Okay, so suppose the question is given 80% and question has said change into fraction. Okay, so change into fraction means you write its meaning. 80% means 80 upon 100. Okay, cancel it. 2 4s are, 2 5s are, okay, 4 upon 5. Okay, so simply what you need to do is here, to convert fraction into percentage, multiply by 100%. To convert percentage into fraction, write its meaning. Okay, percent means per 100, means that means divide by 100 and cancel it, you will get the answer. Okay, it's very easy. So I will write here some hint. Percentage to fraction, and fraction is here. Okay, so if you need to convert fraction into percentage, see the arrow, sorry, percentage into fraction, multiply by divide by 100, fraction into percentage, multiply by 100%. Okay, so in this way you can easily convert. Okay, so now let's give me one more example to you. Now next question is, so you can, I think you can easily convert a percentage into fraction, okay, and fraction into percentage. Okay, so now here the question is just the previous question. Suppose there is 80%, okay, and you are going to convert into fraction. Okay, so 80 upon 100. The question may, okay, ask you to convert the percentage into decimal. So if the question asks to convert the percentage into decimal, so what you do here, you just divide it. Okay, you know the how to shift the decimal. Okay, so decimal is here 2 place, so 0.8. 80 means here 0.8. Okay, so this is in decimal. Okay, it is decimal, so we have changed the percentage into decimal. Okay, so if we don't change it, divide and we cancel and write. Okay, 4s are, 5s are, 4 upon 5 is in your fraction. Okay, so it is in the lowest term. Okay, it is in the lowest term. If we write 4:5, this is in ratio. Okay, so the question may ask you to convert, okay, percentage into decimal or into fraction or into ratio. Okay, sorry, here n was written ratio. Okay, so and its reverse if we do, ratio is given, suppose to you write its meaning, it becomes your fraction, and fraction you can change into percentage by multiplying with 100%. Okay, and you can change into decimal also by dividing. Okay, so altogether you can, I hope you have understood these terms here. So let me do some more questions here. So here another question is, question number 7 in your book. Okay, find 15% of rupees 120. Okay, this is your B number. So what does it mean? 15% means your 15 upon 100. Okay, meaning of 15% is your 15 upon 100. Of means your into, and rupees 120. So solve it and get the answer. So for this what we will do? 5 0 0 cancelled. Okay, so here 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Okay, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. So 3 6s are 18. So 18 rupees is your answer. So you can easily do this type of question. Yes, the question will ask 20% of certain amount, 30%, 20, 40%. Okay, just you need to write the meaning of means multiply and cancel and multiply divide, you will get your answer. Okay, so in your page number your 195. Okay, page number 195, you can do the questions. Okay, this is exercise 5C from 1 to 7. Page number 195, question exercise 5C. Okay, from question number 1 to 7. Now you can easily do. Okay, the questions are there. Change into fraction, percentage is given, change into fraction. Similarly, fraction is given, change into percentage. Okay, and ratio is given, change into percentage. Similarly, decimal is given, change into percentage. Okay, so one last question, okay, for today. Suppose this is your 0.18. It is now in decimal. Okay, it is in decimal. If you need to change into percentage, so simply what you do, 0.18 into 100%, multiply by 100%. Okay, so how much you will get? While multiplying, we have to transfer the decimal towards right. Okay, so you got 18%, 2 place. Okay, multiplying with 100, 2 place, we have to shift the decimal towards right. So we got here 18%. So in this way you can easily, okay, complete up to question number 7, page number 195, exercise 5C, question number 1 to 7. Okay, so thank you for today's class. Please